if you guys, it's sleeting, so today's a good day. It's a button. It's just a button. Yeah, here they're flocking. They're flocking to a button. Wait till they get all the way over here for nothing. I freaking did it. I totally freaking did it. I'm so stoked. All the people I brought out here to go digging, I've never been able to get a real, period. Look at the hole. Oh yeah, I could just barely make out the pillars on it. Alright, I cleaned her up.
You and me had a lot of chemistry. There's too many dreams of life inside me. So I'd sure like to see you come along.
06.
Baby, we belong. I'm a Kalamazoo. Down in Chattanooga.
And I'm on a rim.
And my dreams are true. Baby, you can.
Alright guys, today is March the...
St. Patty's Day.
It's St. Patty's Day. Out here for the first time in a while. Got some friends that came up from North Kakalaki. And they're going to be doing some digging this weekend. They're staying at one of the local places here. And we're back at my favorite locale. Come on in, camera. It's Willie Diggett and Son.
I get behind
There you go. We'll know what y'all find. I mean, we're gonna find some good stuff. We always find stuff when we come here. I'm gonna try to get their finds on camera as well. I got my... Where did I put it? I'm trying out this sling one of my viewers sent me, and I got my 360 device. So we're gonna try it out for the first time. See how it works and see if you guys like it. So hang in there and let's find some goodies.
Oh yeah.
I'm on the first good signal I've had all day. It's a strong 89. We went on the other side of the farm that we've never done before because of the corn. We didn't find a whole lot of much. So we're over here in Dig Me Land. Junior's out there somewhere. Oh, that's right where he's walking. Right there. That's where Jacob got attacked by that deer last time. So let's dig this hole. Let's do a live dig for you guys. $88, $87, $88. Still in the hole. Watch it be junk. It's probably junk. The way my luck is going today. But it's St. Patrick's Day, so I want something green. Let me get the shovel in here. Come on, Largy. Come on, coin. Period. Whatever this is. Oh, you jerk. It's an old square tack. Alright, so I just put the phone away. I was trying to fill that hole back in. And I said, what are you looking at? He said, it's foreign.
Foreign coin.
Uh-oh. Come on, focus.
It has a 1 on the back of it, but it's got a word below it. It's got like a bar. It's not exactly sure where it is just yet. It's not one I've ever seen before.
No, and it's real thick.
Mm-hmm.
And it's misshapen. Alright guys, we're gonna clean this up, and I'll get you another good shot of it. It could be a token. It says one cruise something. So, alright, be right back. Not but 5 minutes later, I get to another hole, another piece of iron. He said, I got a shoe buckle. He found this piece first, and then he found that piece. I said, what that's not a shoe buckle, buddy. That's a spectacle buckle. So that's the second one pulled out of here. And that's pretty. That's going to clean up right nice. Pound it, brother. All right, let's go find some more goodies.
All right.
I'm in a big old mess. Look at all this iron. Look at all these little holes around here. It's all from me. Iron everywhere. All right, guys. I may finally be on the board. Let me get the snot from out of my nose. I hold in my hand a small, thin coin. I don't know what it is yet. It's still in the dirt. But I'll show you my hole. Ta-da. There she be. And the reason I didn't live dig it is because it was a 60 signal. Let's pop it. Oh, what do we got here? It's not a coin. Oh, it's a button. No, that was a tricky one. Oh, you sneaky little button, you. That looked like coin all day. Alright, well, I got a flatty. Flatty on the board. My phone's not focusing, and if you guys, it's sleeting. So, today's a good day. It's a button! It's just a button! Yeah, here they're flocking. They're flocking to a button. Wait till they get all the way over here for nothing. Alright, so we've been trudging through the rain, the sleet, and the snow, and we're all soaked. Nobody's really got anything. Junior done disappeared on us. He's a mile away. But I got something green. I don't think it's a coin, though. So let's check it out. Let's check it on out together. There you go. You can hold that. It's probably junk. Looks like junk. Feels like junk. It's got a name on it. Oh, it's toe tap.
Sometimes those have dates on the front of them.
You want to know the funny thing about this toe tap? This is the first one I ever found.
Really?
Yep.
Well, we find a lot of them down there in North Carolina.
Oh, everybody up here finds them all the time with me. Every time I bring somebody, they find them.
Well, how about that? Good job.
But yeah, my
Like I
first
said,
toe tap.
Good job.
Bling bling. Now we moved on. It was way too trashy there. The wind's picked up a whole lot and it's getting cold again. I didn't film this dig because I thought it was going to be trash, just like everything else I've been digging. But I finally got on something. It's a little flatty, but if you can see it, if my phone will focus, it's got a flower in the center of it. It's pretty ornate. It's cute. I'm happy with it. The boys are way out there. I'm about to take them to a special place as a surprise, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, this is probably my last hole of the day. They didn't want to go. They got a 7-hour drive ahead of them, so I don't blame them for wanting to drive a half hour to the next place. It's small. It's green. It's a rim. Is it a C or a B? let's find out, shall we? Let me put it right in the sun for you. Here's the rim. Man, look, I got used to shooting on a DSLR. There we go. Oh, sugar. I'm getting bad with dropping relics. It is a Bhutan with shank and a back mark. Sweet. That'll go with the other one. Is that something on it, or is that just schmooze? It may have something on the front. It may not. Alright, guys, here you go. There she be. So, alright, everybody. Shh. Got something. Oh my God. What was that? Alright. Shh. Everybody be very quiet. Willie Digs It left. So I snuck onto my humble honey hole called Friendship Hall. I've only been here for about 15 minutes. Don't tell him, but I've already got on something real cool. Check it out. Here, I'll spin it around so you can get a better look. I think where is it? There we go. I think it's a suspender clasp of some sort, except it has these two hooks on the bottom. It looks like military. So, you guys tell me down in the comments. So, you guys are always so smart. You get it every time. So, tell me down in the comments what she is. And don't tell Willie Digs It. Alright, guys. So, I'm doing like a 10-minute hunt. Decided to take my son to the park, which happens to be my honey hole. I'm adding this to the video from last week. So, hope you guys like what I find. Alright, literally right after shooting that intro piece, my very first hole, right here, very first hole, I got something that looks silver, and it's round, and it's very thin. It's still in situ. Oh, that can't be a button, that's gotta be Spanish. That's got to be Spanish. I could use a real. It's been a while. Oh yeah, that's definitely a 1 real. Let me clean it up. I'll get you a good shot of it. Alright, here she is. Let me see if I can get a good focus on it. It's about as good as we're gonna get. It is a half real. I can make just enough out of Carlos on this side. Then if you flip it, there's just the bottom of the shield right there. And if you look real carefully, it looks like it was going to be cut. See the cut mark in it? So, first real of the 2018. Love it. I know this isn't Lady Liberty, but I will kiss that all day. I love that silver. Let's find you some more goodies. I definitely got that silver smile today. I just pulled the half real from right there. Took 2 steps. Where are you at, hole? And I'm on another silver rim. Now, this one's not a real, but it is silver. I'm not wiping it, just popping it. What is this? Oh my God, it's a barber. Hell yeah. First barber dime of the year. Alright, let me clean her up and give you a good shot of it. Alright. Here she is in all her glory. I just wish I can get a good focus, that's all. Alright, there's the reverse. Here's the obverse. Beautiful. 1892. There's the reverse. Man, you can't get any prettier than that. For reals. And it's an off-stamped coin. See how the edge is so thick here? Super thin on this side. There is no mint mark, so it's Philly. But I am completely happy with that one. As many times as I've come to this place, I've never come up here by the road because I was thinking, you know, building that playground, they might have moved a whole bunch of dirt and whatnot. But I just told my wife to go home for a while and just leave me here. So let's see if she does it. Let's get you some more silver. Alright guys, this is probably going to be my last signal for the day. My son's pretty chilly. My wife's a poopsicle. And I think it's a coin. I'm actually in a ditch. It's nasty, mucky, black mud. But it looks like a piece of a coin. It's very strange. I don't know what it is yet. But I'm sure we can figure it out together. Where does she go? There it is. It was 81.82. It's not a coin. What the hell is it? Piece of lead or something, but it's painted in a disc shape. Alright, anyone knows, let me know. But like I said, this could be it for today. So in case I don't see you, I love you guys, and I'm trying to make a comeback here between work and kids and weather. It's been real difficult, but I'm really, really trying. So, alright guys, wait till next Tuesday, and I'll see you then.
Well, I'm taking myself anywhere I go. Never left behind by my heart and soul. Never was one to stay one place so long. You and me had a lot of chemistry, but there's too many dreams alive inside of me. So I'd sure like to see you come along. Baby, we belong.